Hi there everyone. Here we have upside down. Why am I not surprised? ONGUARD bike lock. Now you'll have to bear with me here while I do a little bit of explanation if I can. You'll notice there's the plug part, which is shaped like so. That's the plug part. The pins are in the middle, which you can see in there. Hopefully, yeah, pins in the middle there. I don't know if you can see them. Don't know if you can see them, but anyway. On either side of the pins, there's a little triangular piece, which is where the key slots in. But I've worn it away on one side with the tensioner. It's supposed to look like that. That's the piece there, and the key slides in through there. That's an end view of the key. There's the two triangle bits, and there's the pimples, one behind the other, which activate the pins, one behind the other. So, locked up, and I wasn't going to use a dimple pick on that, but I don't trust them to be strong enough, so I'm using small diamond. You've got to put a bit of tension to take got to put a reasonable amount of tension on it to take that springiness out of the plug. Alright, here we go. Can be a bugger of a thing to pick. I actually picked it with the Klom. It's like I guess it's a dimple pick. Little diamond with a bend in it. Anyway, I snapped it. Snapped it clean off. It's got plenty of flex this way, but zero flex on the vertical, and it just snapped like a carrot. So, it's history. Okay, let's get back to this thing. I believe it's going already. There you go. I'm not sure if it's a 4 or 5 pin. I actually can't feel a lot in there because it's fairly restrictive. I think it might be a 4 pin. I haven't got the key. The lad's got the key. It's his bike, and he's away. So, alright, well there it is. There's the ONGUARD bike lock. Okay, thanks for watching that. Hooroo.